Toronto's insane city of the future in 2030. As a new decade begins, the pace of change in Toronto shows no signs of slowing. Trends and plans are in motion that is set to reshape the city by the year 2030. A major factor is population. By 2031, the city of Toronto estimated that the downtown core alone will have 500,000 more residents. Statistics Canada says the population of the Greater Toronto Area will grow by millions, and it will be the fastest growing part of Ontario. The need to house, move, and employ those new people is ready to start to shape the city. In addition to numerous plans for the arrangement and expansion of the city, there are also some new buildings planned that will completely change the appearance of the city. That's why we decided to talk about those buildings in today's video. Before that, all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. When you do that, then we can continue the video. Welcome to the $1 Billion Projects channel. We made a list of buildings that will change the city, so let's take a look at it together, shall we? Number 1. 1200 Bay Street. The 87-story skyscraper called 1200 Bay Street is proposed for a site in the city's Yorkville area, on the northwest corner of Bay Street and Bloor Street. Renderings show the slender design would comprise roller shades and an outer layer of open-jointed glass. Units would have interior glazing with floor-to-ceiling operable windows, and the shutters would regulate daylight and heat. Its structural core is intended to be on the western facade to maximize the usable area of the floor plate. This would also provide privacy from adjacent developments to the west. The first 16 floors of the building comprise retail and office functions, and a level with private amenities would separate these from the residences above. It would also include 332 condominium units, ranging from one-bedroom to multi-story penthouses, that would be spread over 64 floors. Number 2. TheOne. TheOne is a super-tall skyscraper in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. At 338 meters and 94 stories, it will be taller than First Canadian Place, which has been Canada's tallest building since 1976. The first 18 stories of TheOne will include restaurants, event spaces, 2 major retailers, and a luxury Hyatt hotel, created under its boutique Andaz brand. The 160-room Andaz Toronto will occupy the 4th to 16th floors of the building, with a lobby on the 4th floor and an outdoor pool deck on the 6th floor. The tower's residential section will have a total of 416 units. TheOne will include 4 penthouse units, 4 stories of parking will exist underground, and the building will connect to the Bloor-Yonge station and nearby buildings via an underground walkway system similar to the city's path system. Number 3. 260 King Street West Tower. This may hold the greatest potential to become a future city icon. The property developer is David Mirvish, and the renowned architect is Frank Gehry. The project is highlighted by dramatic design elements including a canopy podium and distinct massing volumes that appear to shift as the towers ascend. Mirvish and Gehry condos live up to the expectations that come with a design from one of the world's greatest living architects, and will feature tower heights of 73 stories and 84 stories, 2,034 upmarket residences, a 209-room on-site luxury hotel, and 454 on-site parking spots. The hotel facilities will include suites on the 10th through 20th floors of the West Tower, along with 2 floors of event spaces and meeting rooms on the West Podium. Number 4. Union Park. Oxford Properties Group announced plans for Union Park, a massive 4.3 million square foot development expected to be the largest in Toronto's history. With an estimated $3.5 billion price tag, it would also be one of the most expensive. The proposal consists of 4 towers just north of the Rogers Centre and the CN Tower. 2 of the towers, at 58 and 48 stories tall, would have office space inside. The 2 others, at 54 and 44 stories, would have about 800 rental units, an integrated daycare, and 200,000 square feet of rental space. Number 5. YSL Residences. YSL is an acronym for Young Street Living. Upon completion, the building will surpass First Canadian Place in height to become Canada's 2nd tallest skyscraper, after TheOne. It was first proposed in 2017, and the plan called for the construction of a 98-story, 343.9-meter tall building with a sloping south face that was pinched in partway up. However, following a hearing with the LPAT in 2018, the building's height was scaled back considerably to 299 meters, but had various community amenities not present in the original proposal added. In 2020, the project was put on pause due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Well guys, these are some of the buildings from our list. Of course, there are more, but these are the ones we felt were more important. Maybe the next time you visit Toronto, it won't be the same. Don't be surprised. At the very end of the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell to be notified when the new video is online and share this one. Hope you enjoyed today. See you soon again.